In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any crypto coin into any other crypto coin or even cash using Kraken platform. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you will obviously need to log into your Kraken account, and I'm gonna go to my wallet to show that I only have Litecoin right now and I don't have anything else. So if you want to change it, you need to go to your dashboard. And right here you will find buy, sell and convert. So we're going to convert. In my case, I only have Litecoin, but right here you should see the list of all the available coins you have right now and just select the amount. You can set like half of your balance, you can set all your balance or whatever you want, and then select the coin you want to get. So you can get Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can see the list is huge. But you can also put, for example, euros, and this way you can also convert your crypto into any other currency. Let's say we want Bitcoin and we want to exchange all our Litecoin to Bitcoin. Right here you will see some details about this transaction. It will have a small fee, so I won't be doing this transaction because it's just an example, but that's basically the process you need to do. You just click on review to review the details of the transaction and confirm, and you will instantly get your Bitcoin or the coin you want and swap it. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.